All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $146.67 for the goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $26.88. And as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here. Real accurate. It's for the week of July 7th to July 13th, or July 6th to July 12th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. I am in Florida, so I'm doing this on Thursday, the first day of the sale. Today is Thursday. I'll be uploading a video every week on the first day of the sale, so please subscribe to my channel so you get these deals right away. Also, you know, if you like this video, you like some of the deals in this video, hit the like button. So I am in Florida, as I mentioned. That's true bogo, so I want to show you some of these deals may be different from where you live. But let's get into the 13 or best sold deals of the week. So right here, let's start with this kombucha. Let me get that a little closer here. Oh boy. All right, so the kombucha is $3.49 each, so there is tax on there. So for two of them, it's in the produce section. Two of them will cost $7.50 with the tax. However, they are bogo this week, so you get two of them for $3.75. And there's a Publix digital coupon for buy one get one free. So that means they're completely free except you pay the tax, which was 26 cents. All right, keep going. Always discreet. I did this deal before. I love this deal. If you watch my videos, you know I do this all the time. So this is regular price are $5.99 each. They were actually on sale for $3.99. I got some last week, but $5.99 each for these. So for two of them with tax, $12.88. There is a coupon from the July PG that just came out that takes $5 off of two. So you use that first, and then there is a Publix digital coupon as well for $5 off of two. So you plug that in at the end, and then you can submit this to Stocking Spree, get about $12. So it's about $2.40 to Stocking Spree. So about 48 cents for both of those. All right, Mountain Dew Rise. I did this before. And I did it again because I found some more of these. If you can find these hang tags, you can do this deal. So they're just hanging off the product, hence they're called hang tags. So I bought actually four of these. So the other two are not in the picture. They're over there. So four of these come to, they're $3 each regularly. So they come to $12.90. However, they're on sale for $1.75 each. So for four of them came to $7.53. There is a buy two get one free Publix digital coupon that takes $1.75 off, and I used two of these hang tags that took well, when they rung it, they took $3.50 off each one. They just scan it, $3.50 off, $3.50 off, so there's $1.22 overage right there. I know I'm talking fast, so I got the breakdown and the links to print all the coupons below this video. Very detailed breakdown. Another deal I did, and I did it again, the AZO urinary, gosh, I hope you don't need this, pain relief. These are regularly $5.59, so for two of them, there's no tax on it. They come to $11.16. There is a manufacturer printable coupon that takes $5 off. I got the link to print that below, so making those only 59 cents or $1.16 for both of them. All right, STEM multi-insect spray. I did this deal last week, did it again because it's still good. So these are just regular price, $7.49. So for two of them with tax, $16.10. And there is a buy one get one free coupon from the Smart Source June 26th. So that takes $8 off, maximum of $8 off. They just scan it, it takes $8 off. So took $8 off there, and there is a Publix digital coupon that's $6.99 off of two. So I plugged that in at the end, and there is, last week there's a bought a rebate for $6.99 off of two. I'm not sure if that came back. So if you have that, you're gonna have a big overage, around a $5 or $6 overage. So these only cost me $1.01 because I didn't have the Ibotta rebate. All right, Jonny Pops, this is the big deal of the week. So these are regularly $5.49. So for four of them would cost you $23.61 when you factor the tax. However, there is a manufacturer printable coupon. As I said, I got the link to print that below for a free box. So you can use, well, I did this in two transactions at two stores. I didn't want to OD. I didn't want to overdo it. So I used 2 of them at one of the stores. Then I went to another store and got a couple more things and used 2 more. So technically you could use 4 of these at once. And you know, they may say to you, hey, you're getting it for free, you can't use that. And I say, look, I'm paying for that, and I'm paying for that one, and then the promotion comes in. So, you know, and look up your coupon policy. There's nothing, it says 1 per item. I'm getting 2 items, so I should be able to use 2 manufacturer coupons. She said, you're right, here you go. So they took they took both of them, or all 4 of them in both. The first one they didn't say anything. The second one, I ran into that question. So as I said, $11.80 spent for these 4 boxes. I used 4 of the manufacturer printable. That took $21.96 off. So for those 4 boxes was a $10.16 moneymaker for those 4 boxes. I guarantee these are going to sell out of Publix, so get them as soon as you can. Hopefully you're watching this video and get them right away. All right, keep it going. So what do we got next? Brazi Bites. These are regularly $6.39 each. So for 4 of them, they are $25.56. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get 4 of them for $12.78. And I used 2 of these manufacturer coupons. Where did it go? There it is. So buy one, get one free. I got a link to print that below. So I used 2 of those BOGO print, save, and enjoy coupons. It was emailed to me. So that made all those completely free. Now, my phone broke, unfortunately, so I'm unable to access my Ibotta. So I believe there's a $3 Ibotta rebate on the pizza kind. I'm not sure if that's true, but that's what I heard. So hopefully I have that in my Ibotta, and that will make that a $12 overage. So if I don't have that, I won't have my $26 overage. I'll only have a $15 overage, something like that, $14.88 overage. Anyways, keep it going. So hopefully I'll have that, and it's a $12 overage when I buy 4 of those. So that's kind of up in the air still until I get on my Ibotta. All right, Centrum Silver. Here we go. Regular price $9.59. There's a $3 off coupon from the extra savings. Look, we had a couple extra savings coupons here. It's $3 off on that. There is a Publix digital coupon for $2 off. It says Caltrate, and it's Caltrate and Centrum in there, but it just says Caltrate when you look at it. So that's $2 more off, and then Ibotta has $3 back, making that guy $1.59. All right, Chapstick. These are $1.79. They're by the register. I've done this deal many times. So it comes to $1.92 with tax. Another extra savings coupon you use there. That took $1 off, and then Publix digital coupon takes another $1 off. So that made that an 8-cent overage. And as I said before, and hopefully you watch my videos, clip all the Publix digital coupons, because this one, my first deal on the table, I believe is not available anymore, but hopefully you've been following me, you're watching my videos, and you've clipped all your digital coupons so you had that in your account as I did. All right, Sundown Vitamin D3, what do we got right there? So as you see, always check the clearance rack. I can always tell you that. These are $2.69, got the $3 off coupon, and then there's a Publix digital coupon for $2 off, $5 to the good on $2.69. I'm like, this is gonna be great. However, they rang up $5.39. So you know what happens there, Publix promise was granted there, so I got $5.39 back. Coupons were still valid, so there's a $5 overage on that guy right there. Betty Crocker sheet pan. Holy sheet. So these are $2.69, so for 2 of them would cost you $5.38. However, they're BOGO, so you get both of them for $2.69. And Publix digital coupon, $1 off. Another Publix digital coupon, a lot of digitals on here, and a lot of extra savings coupons on here. Not too many insert or printable, a couple of printables. So these are $2.69 for both of them, and their Publix digital coupon takes $1 off. Ibotta has $1 off of each box, making that 31-cent overage right there. All right, Advil Infant. So these are $5.39, the regular price. As you see, another extra savings book coupon that takes $2 off. There's also a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off, making that only $1.39. And you know, usually I'm building up to something. I have a Save a Lot coupon that I'm going to use. So let me know in the comment below if you have a Save a Lot nearby. I believe it's for like July 20th. All right, last deal here. Nature's Bounty Primrose, $4.64 clearance deal. And there is a extra savings, takes $3 off, and there is $1 off. Publix digital coupon. Where is it? Somewhere. There's a $3 off one. Publix digital coupon right there, $1 off. However, she realized it, and she actually gave it to me for nothing. She didn't even go through the Publix product. She's like, "Yeah, these rang up wrong. I'm just gonna ring it in for $0," which was awesome. And coupons are still valid. So once again, that was a regular $9.29 for that, and it was a $4 overage. So always check the clearance rack, and hopefully you'll do good. So unfortunately, this is my last video. I'm going away next week. There's no Publix where I'm going to be, so I'm gonna try to post some other videos. But there will be no video next week. And once again, you know, I'm trying to build my channel. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So you could do that deal. You know, you have that already in your digital account. As I said, my tip, you know, for the week: clip all the Publix digital coupons, clip all the Ibotta. Once again, paid to shop $146.67 with the goods, an overage of $26.88. Everybody enjoy the couponing. I should have got maybe more stuff, but I always go for like the best deals. All right.